To bond or not to bond? That is the question. Bonding. What exactly is this word I hear? Do I need it? Do you need it? Should I use it? How do I use it? Which one do I get? There are two types of bonds in the hair: disulfide bonds and hydrogen bonds. So hydrogen bonds are going to give us the strength. Disulfide bonds give us the ability to bend and snap back, elasticity. Wait a minute. I remember walking down the shelf and seeing repair, protein, strength, moisture, hydrate, elasticity. So those are like bonds, but in a product form. Okay. So when we're working with bonds, specifically with chemical and color, what we're essentially doing is cracking into them so that we can rearrange them and tell them what we want it to do. When you're using lightener or hair color, and you might already have weakened hair, you might want to make sure that you're putting in a bond structurizer, bond strengthener to help maintain the chemical structural makeup of your hair. And there are only 3 ways to do this, y'all: heat, chemical, and water. What? Are you kidding me? Let's say you have flat iron curly hair and you jump in the pool, bing, she goes back. Why? Because the bonds are rearranged. Let's say you have super straight hair and you want delicious curls and you went and said, I want a perm. What we're doing is taking a chemical to break through, rearrange all those bonds and lock them in to a new shape, so you got a new curly do. Okay. Make sure you turn on your notifications and go ahead and like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the others. Tons of information. Girl, bye.